Kali is not alone. He has 4 sons in their prime. Together they form the most powerful force in this land, one set on conquest. Kali already rules the lionesses of the north, but he is not content with that. He and his sons are driven to expand their realm to the south. If he overthrows Fang, he will kill Mara and have new cubs of his own. Kali is little Mara's greatest danger. For now, the river is high, a barrier that Kali will not cross. But eventually, its waters will fall.